मेरी वॉइस अराउंड एट द एज ऑफ 16 to 17 इश के बिटवीन डीप होना चालू हो गई थी. और उस टाइम पे मुझे इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था. आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ वेरी नॉन चैलेंट अबाउट इट, लाइक इट्स अ नेचुरल थिंग दैट आई वॉज बॉर्न विद इट. सो आई वॉज वेरी नॉन चैलेंट विद इट एंड आई वॉज लाइक, yeah, I'm getting this physique, like I'm getting huge and I'm getting a deep voice. All the ladies, you can just bow down and kneel to me and just lick my legs or something like that. So I was just like having a lot of fun whilst having deep voice, and I was just like this dude who did not give a shit about whether he had a deep voice or not. And most of the time it worked for me. Most of the time I did not have to do much about my deep voice because I was just doing basic things right that everybody can do. I did not take some steroids, and honestly I don't even know कि कोई steroids exist करते हैं कि नहीं deep voice के लिए. But here's the thing, if you do not have a deep voice and you are younger than me, then you are making a fool of yourself, because having a deep voice at a young age is much easier than it is जब तुम बड़े हो जाते हो. क्योंकि इसके पीछे का साइंस ये है कि लैरिंग्स के अंदर के जो टिश्यूज़ होते हैं वो भर जाते हैं, यानी कि टेस्टोस्टेरोन अब उन पे अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, तुम्हारी वॉइस डीप नहीं हो सकती. और इट्स लाइक, yeah man, you cannot get a deep voice like that, deeper than this shit. And let me tell you this, all the ladies dig this deep voice, like they just dig into it. They want a guy who can just scare her by his voice. Like he does not have to do anything, he just have to speak and she gets this goosebumps, or more like she gets wet. That's the type of shit that they want. And trust me on this, if you actually get a deep voice and you are like this dude who got the deep voice by just doing some basic shit, and you got the deep voice, you'll attract ladies like no one else does. Like, you'll attract shit, man. I'll be honest with you, I'll never lie to you, this shit really works. I've made this entire split of mine. Well, you want to buy it, that's on to you. लिंक उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में रहेगी. मेरी इंस्टा की लिंक है, जस्ट मैसेज मी ऑन देयर एंड विल गिव यू द लिंक. But here's the basic crux: just train your neck like crazy. It like literally forces your Adam's apple. This shit right there, it literally forces your Adam's apple to pressurize your larynx, जो कि तुम्हारी normal voice से तुम्हारी voice को huskier बना देगा, and it's more like it's going to help you a lot, right? Having high testosterone and a good physique also helps like crazy. If you have a good testosterone and if you have a good physique, you are going to attract ladies whether you have a deep voice or not. It's just a fact. So yeah, this was this little tutorial. Train your neck, do muffling. Muffling is placing a pillow and screaming as hard as you can. Train your nervous system to be calm. That is the main thing. And learn diaphragmatic breathing. All of that will actually help you to get a deep voice. ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे पेड स्प्लिट में रहेंगी. Message me on Insta and you'll get the paid split. Bye bye.